What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robbie and this is Akshan Auto. Today we're going to be removing the door handles and the mirrors on the Maverick. To do the door handles, you just need a 5mm socket, and to do the mirrors, it's a 10mm socket. So let's get to it. First of all, we got to take this little plastic cover off right here. 5mm socket. And I know you probably can't see in there. The screw is there, the bolt. And we're going to do this by hand. So while you're loosening it, you pull on it on the outside. Then you hear it release, and it actually just pops out like that. So take your time, take it out. Now, the door is not going to shut. So what you do is you go back in and you tighten slowly. You hear that click? The door will shut. Now make sure you leave a window down so you can get back in the truck to do the reinstall. Time to remove the mirror. Let's pop this off. A couple clips. Just take your time, it'll come off by hand. And there's 3 10mm bolts. 1, 2, 3. And the power. Take off the power. 10mm nuts, I'm sorry. One, two, three. So out here, just start wiggling it out. But there is a little clip about this right here, holding it in. So just pry on it with your fingers. It'll give. There we go. This is the mirror out, guys. Not too hard. Now there's a reason I took these off, and that's coming up shortly. You saw that I removed the power mirrors and the outer door handles on the Maverick, and there was a reason for that, so let me show you what we did. So guys, I went ahead and I color matched the mirrors and the door handles. It's not exactly like what the Lariat looks like. If you see the difference, leave me a little comment. But let's go ahead and get these installed on the truck. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it's the next day. Man, I tell you, the door handles on this Ford, they're easy to come out. Simple. Putting them back in, there are some mistakes you can make. I suggest watching a couple of videos before you attempt it. You know, I did too, but I didn't fully understand the way it works. I'm used to doing, you know, different cars. I'm not gonna say it's hard. It was a bit of a pain in the ass because of me. I didn't know how to really do it. But they are back on, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I color match the mirrors, and I color matched door handles all the way around. Show you the other side, same thing. Mirror, door handle, mirror. Now, some of you are gonna say, oh, it's orange peeled or this or that or whatever. It's not. These were textured from the factory, all of them, and I sprayed it in a way to keep the texture. When I say that, I could have covered it up, I could have primed it and sanded it and smoothed it and whatever. I didn't do all of that. I just sprayed it to keep the texture. All right, so guys, there's the door handles and mirrors, mirror caps color matched. There's a slight difference. Tell me if you guys notice it. And you know, please leave a comment. I would like to know what you all think. All right, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, share.